Hey guys, so I got my new Be Comfort hooks and trash bags for my car, and this is the new upgraded version, and I love the old one, so I'm very interested to see how this new one works. So really easy. I have to have a trash bag in my car. I have 3 kids, we have animals, so the reason I like these is that they are really easy to wash when anything spills in here, and they're also easy to empty. Down here at the bottom, it unvelcros, and that's where you can just empty out. These are eco-friendly as well. It's another reason I like them. And my favorite thing is at the mouth, the opening, it can extend, and it can has this little part here, so it's like a cover, so anything that's in here that could potentially spill or fall out, I think that's great that it does that, and it is adjustable. So I always keep this right here, and this can go around your headrest, and this part just buckles on, and it is adjustable as well, and comes with 2, so that's even better. And again, I'll show you up close. You can adjust this depending on how much you have in your bag so that nothing spills out. So if it's full, you can extend it. If it's not that full, and I love that about it. It just keeps things, some trash bags I've had in the car before, they defeat the purpose because the trash just falls out. So you can make it super tight. Always convenient. And then they come with these really convenient hooks here. So you can hang your grocery bags on these, you can hang your purse, and it even has a little extender. Whoops. Has a little extender where you just clip it on here. Wait, sorry. You clip it on here on the bottom part, and you can put your water bottle. So you just hook it right here onto the back of your headrest. You can do this in the front seat as well, like hooking my purse on it. And they're heavy duty, so it's gonna hold something heavy. And I just hang it on there. I can hang my grocery bags on it, and then that little extension that I put on there, you can put a water bottle, just like that. So it also comes with 2 of those. I definitely recommend this if you have kids, if you have even just an individual. It's very convenient to have the water bottle where you can put your groceries and your purse. So check it out.